All right, let's talk about how to um, solve equations from Algebra 1, K5, solve one-step linear inequalities involving multiplication and division. The one thing we're going to have to be careful here about is essentially flipping our sign when we multiply or divide by a negative. So I'll make sure to point that out to you guys. So the first one I have is d divided by 2 is greater than or equal to 3. So I'm going to go ahead and multiply by 2, and that's d is greater than or equal to 6. So d greater than or equal to 6. Okay, then we have 4w is less than or equal to 8. So we divide by 4, and we have w is less than or equal to 2. Okay, so not a whole lot of difficulties yet. Okay, so again, on this one I have m divided by 3 is greater than or equal to 3. So I'm going to multiply by 3, and we have m is greater than or equal to 9. Okay, so I'm going to go through a few here, see if we get any of the tricky ones. Okay, so far I'm only getting positive values that we're multiplying by. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so let's look at this one. We're starting to get some negative numbers in here. All right, right around like 50, I'm starting to get negative numbers. So I have p divided by 4 is greater than negative 2. Now, I'm not multiplying by a negative here. I'm actually multiplying by a positive. Notice the number I'm multiplying by is 4. So in this one, I don't flip my sign. Some kids do make the error about flipping their sign here, but don't let that be you, because you're multiplying by 4. Now, in this problem, okay, you'll see the difference, okay? So let me pick purple and make sure this color comes up. I have negative 1, r, is less than 9. So here, when I divide, okay, by the number in front of r, notice I'm dividing by a negative. And this one is going to cause me to flip my sign. So it's opening to the right, now it's going to open to the left. So r is going to be greater than negative 9. R is greater than negative 9. Okay, and that happens right around 60. Okay, and I don't think I'm going to be getting any more of those questions. I'll see if I do, okay, because I'm getting pretty close to an 80, so you might only get a handful of them. All right, I just got one right before, so I'll answer this one, and then I'm going to call it a day on this one. So we have negative 15r is greater than or equal to 15. So now I'm going to divide by the number in front of r, and that number is negative 15. So here, okay, I need to flip my sign. So I was eating the r, and now I'm not. So I have r is less than or equal to negative 1. All right, if you guys have any questions, let me know. I'll be sure to help you guys out.